I left. Who cares why I did it? I could say it's because I have self respect. That's all that matters. The outcome's the same.
I hear you. You're proud of yourself for leaving, and you should be. But the reason matters because if you don't understand how you walked into the cycle in the first place, you walk into it again, and you have before. So we don't have to guess. Let me show you what I mean. After harm, abusers often return to a period of softness. Didn't your ex do that? He was nice again, right? An apology, a gift, a brief return to the version of him that you met at the beginning. And a lot of people mistake that for remorse. It's not. It's recalibration. He's resetting your baseline. So the next incident feels like the same distance from the normal, not a compounded one. After a shove, it doesn't undo the shove. It teaches your nervous system that the shove belongs inside the relationship. This is just what we do, is what we kind of think of. Becomes your explanation. This is what I call tolerance training. A shove, a slap, an apology, a gift, repeat. Each round moves slightly further than the last one. Each apology arrives just far enough apart for you to metabolize the damage before it happens again, and it will happen again.
Why does he do this?
So that you can adapt. That's what human beings do when they can't or won't leave their environment. Your nervous system normalizes what it needs in order to survive. He's counting on that, which is why it's so critical to leave the first time harm appears, not the 5th, not the 10th, not the 20th. By then, the cycle is already established, and you're no longer asking yourself, should I leave? You're saying, why does it feel so impossible to leave? That's why, because now you love him, and love behaves like glue. The longer it sits, the harder it sets, and the longer it sets, the more strength it takes to break free. You have the most strength at the very beginning, before the cement has time to set, before your nervous system adjusts, before the apology hits you, before the explanation sounds reasonable, before the softness returns and tricks you into believing the harm was temporary instead of cyclical. The beginning is when leaving is the easiest. But when you stay, you give the cycle time to solidify. The cement hardens. You give the behavior time to become familiar. And then when it happens, it feels like a heavy boulder you just can't move. Leaving starts to feel like you're tearing something out of you. I just can't. I love him so much. I love him so much. I know. I want to say something to you, and I really need you to hear it. It's not love. It's not. It's conditioning. That's how it feels.